Hey everybody, my name is Daphne and I'm from the class of Teaching Principles, and today I'm going to talk about the Siop model. The Shelter Instructions Observation Protocol, Siop, was developed to make the content material more comprehensive to the English language learners. The model was developed by Jana Echeverria. The Siop model includes the following 8 points.
The Siop method uses both content and language objectives, with a review at the beginning of the lesson and that at the end. You should aim to clearly define content and objectives based on the previous question in study-friendly language. In the building background, instructors look for the opportunities to create links between the past lessons and experience, building background knowledge as launchpad for the new lessons. Ensure that you focus and motivate the students by connecting what they already know. Link past learning to know currently by referring to books, lessons, or charts that the students have worked in previously. Use what the students have learned in the past to help them to learn the new vocabulary. The next component is comprehensible input, where the instructors focus on the presenting by the new information in the way that can be understood by all students. When it comes to content and vocabulary, ask yourself, it is understandable? Can they explain it back to me? Be sure to make explanations of tasks clear by using step-by-step sequencing with visuals. Use gestures, pictures, props, and objects to make the content clear. Next develop is learning strategies. New content can be intimidating. Therefore, building background helps students feel comfortable and confident as they become experts on the new content being learned. M2 uses scaffolding strategies such as modeling, getting practice, independence practice. Use think aloud strategy to show students how to work through concept and learning strategies. Encourage higher thinking, delving, and questioning throughout lessons.
Interaction among peers is beneficial, as it allows the students to learn from one another as they practice skills being taught in the classroom. Employ the following process. Allow open discussion about content, lesson, and objectives. Use a variety of grouping options such as whole, small, partners, and independent. Consciently provide sufficient wait time from the student response. Use structured oral language routines like talking sticks, linear communication, or give one, get one to get the students talking and interacting. Allow for qualification opportunities in the students' native language. No. Practice and application components set students up for rendering knowledge, for practice, and for application of the concept and content being presented. Be sure to provide guided practice before having students work independently. Use activities that require students to apply both contents and language knowledge. These can be journals, discussion circles, subject-related interviews, or scaffolded graphic organizations. Use activities that integrate all language skills. Lesson delivery component is crucial, since how a lesson is delivered determines how content will be received, deciphered, and retained by students. Instructors must ensure the lesson delivery follow the content and language objectives, respect the pace of your students, and mirror the lesson to their ability level. Make sure students are following along throughout the lesson. Frequently check for the comprehension. In conclusion, the Shelter Instructor Observation Protocol, better known like Siop model, is a research-based method of instruction targeted toward meeting the academic needs of English language learners. Simply put, it's an instructional model to ensure the English language learners have their content and language needs met in the mainstream classroom. This is all I can say about the Siop model, and hope you like this video and see you next class.